Hello friends, good evening everyone. Welcome to Passive Money. Today will explain about the Nifty, what will be the next view. So we have already reached the 14,371. I explained in the last video about the Nifty. So the Nifty is doing the consolidation kind of things. Okay, suppose if we break this these two lines, what will be the next view? Okay, so I will before explaining that stock market, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. You will get a notification when I upload the new videos. Okay. Okay, come to the stock market. See friends, we are seeing since started on the January 11th till today. So market is consolidation in between 14,350 to 14,750. So in these 2 points, so market is doing the up and down kind of things. Okay, so when the market is breakdown, so 14,220, the market should close below the 14,220. Then and next day, after that, the closing price should be crossed, okay, of the consecutive day. Okay, then only we can say that the market is going the downside, the trend is also going changes. So suppose the market is closed below 750, sorry, above 750, so 14,750. If market is closed and next day that high should be crossed, then only we can say that the market still we have a upside, the bullish side kind of things. Okay, the market can reach the above 15,000 kind of things. Okay, we can say that one. Okay, suppose if you want to check the trend, we have a one tool, or we can say this one the super trend kind of things. Okay, so we can, with the help of this one, we can indicate we can say that one. See, here is the super trend suggesting 14,036. We have a bullish kind of trend, we can say that one. See, here we can see one example, like the market is reached that one so far on December 21. On December 21, the market has reached this line, support line, and is closed above that one only. So after that one, the market, we can see the uh, bullish kind of things. Okay, same thing, suppose if it happened here also, the 14,000, if we got support here, so we can see the, still we can see that, we can say that one bullish kind of things. Okay, suppose if close this below trend line, so easily the trend will be changed. Okay, please guys, now because we are seeing all-time high. See, there will be three possibilities. The Nifty is all-time high, and next week we have a budget kind of things in India, and third point, it should be the now is the consolidation is happening. So whatever any can happen in the next, after breaking the upside or downside. Suppose if break the upside, it will move the bullish side. If they break the downside and close the below 14,000, we can easily say that one, the market is going to the downside. Okay, in next video I will explain what happened at the time of budget time in India. So I will last year what happened, and before last year what happened. So the I will make a one more video tomorrow, I think, or day after tomorrow I will upload the new one more video about related to the on budget day what happened our stock market. I will explain that one and I will upload that video also. So tomorrow we can say that, so we can we have see some open about the green side. I think I'm, as per my view with the Nifty, tomorrow we open the green side, so we can see that one, and we'll see the trend, we'll analyze the trend also. Okay, please, before doing the any kind of trading or investment kind of things, please double check and invest your value add money. Suppose thank you guys, thank you for your valuable time, and suppose if you like this, if you are like this video, please like it and comment. If you have any doubts, comment it, I will reply to that one. And please share my video to your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel also. Okay, you will get the new videos. What all I will explain, I will start the explaining about the what are all the indicators we have, how to read that one. So what to do, how, and I will explain the each and every indicator as soon as possible. I will start the new videos every week. One concept I will upload. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much. Good night.